Okay, a bit of an update on the telemetry project. This is the model I'll be using. This is my UAV. It's done a lot of hours, and if you have a look in here, I'll just move some of these bits and pieces out of the way because we don't want them there. There's a GPS controlled autopilot in here. You can see that. That's the computer system that I built some time ago. This, apart from the rat's nest of wires, there's a circuit board under there that has a processor. And here's the GPS unit itself. This is a regular store-bought GPS. You buy these anywhere. This one has a little bit of a co-pilot flight stability system built into it. Here's the GPS. Normally goes off here to a little board here with a backup battery. Then it goes on to the autopilot. Now what I'm going to be doing is basically take the autopilot out for a moment. I'm going to put the telemetry receiver in here, and it will use the GPS information, send it back to the transmitter. Now as you can see, this is not your average high-wing trainer model. I don't know if the batteries are charged, but the autopilot itself, oh, there we go. It's got some still going. Okay, so I'll be disabling the autopilot facility just for this testing, and this one actually also has on it a 2.4 gig video system, which I use because the original control system in this, as you can tell by the long antenna, was on 72 megs because I didn't actually need a whole lot of range to do the testing. So the model would fly itself. So I'm going to remove this video system and its attendant camera here, which is a little cheap CMOS camera. I'm going to remove these, and I'm going to put in the high model system, the 5.8 gigahertz system that I've got from high model. Now you notice to get all the space inside the model here, there's a few changes I've made to a basic layout. The rudder servo actually sits on the back of the fuselage there, and the elevator servo is right down the back there, driving there. And of course it's a little servo because this isn't an aerobatic model, it's only designed for UAV testing all these subsystems. You'll see there's batteries strapped to the side. It's really a very utilitarian workhorse. I have a Super Tiger 91 that I put in here, which is perfectly adequate for the job. There's the throttle servo on the top. Again, as I say, there's a lot of stuff inside, so a lot of the servos in that have had to be moved to the outside. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to remount the 91, which I've just taken out and done its bearings because it's been sitting around for a long time. I'm going to put the telemetry-enabled receiver in here, hook it up to the GPS, and we're going to do some flying. But I thought I'd just give you this little bit sneak preview on the flying platform that we're going to be using to test both the FrSky Telemetry system and the high model 5.8 gigahertz video system.